Let's face it, accidents happen, even in scenic New England. The question is, are you prepared? With numerous car insurance options out there, finding the right coverage can be daunting. But fear not, we've taken the time to research for you and compiled a carefully curated list of the top car insurance companies in the beautiful Pine Tree state of Maine. We've crunched the numbers, assessed customer satisfaction, and evaluated the range of coverage options offered by these esteemed insurers, all with your convenience in mind. And here's the best part, we'll guide you through the process of snagging free auto insurance quotes, making it super easy to compare car insurance companies in Maine. No more headaches or endless phone calls. We've streamlined the entire experience for you. Just head over to FreeAdvice.com now for a comprehensive comparison. There, you'll have access to our user-friendly free quote generator that allows you to effortlessly compare quotes, explore various coverage options, and ultimately make an informed decision that suits your unique needs. So, don't wait until it's too late. Protect yourself and your loved ones with the right car insurance. Let's dive in and find the best Maine car insurance for you. Before we dive into the best insurance companies in Maine, let's talk about the insurance you actually need to drive legally in Maine. Maine auto insurance laws require drivers to have bodily injury liability, property damage liability, uninsured underinsured motorist coverage, and medical payments coverage. Let's break down what these coverages mean and the required limits. Bodily injury liability covers the other driver's medical bills if you cause an accident, while property damage liability pays for their car repairs or property damage. Maine requires at least $50,000 per person and $100,000 per accident for bodily injury, and $25,000 per accident for property damage. Uninsured underinsured motorist coverage protects you if the other driver doesn't have enough or any insurance. Maine requires at least $50,000 per person and $100,000 per accident for this coverage. Medical payments coverage, or MedPay, helps with medical expenses for you and your passengers after an accident, no matter who's at fault. In Maine, it typically has a limit of $2,000 per person. Visit FreeAdvice.com today and try out our free quote search tool to find car insurance that meets your state's minimum coverage requirements. Now that mandatory coverage is out of the way, let's talk about some extras you can add to your insurance plan in Maine. When it comes to add-on auto insurance in Maine, you have several options at your fingertips. First up, there's comprehensive and collision coverage. Comprehensive covers events outside your control, like theft or natural disasters, while collision pays for repairs if you're in an accident. If you're leasing or financing your car, these are likely required. Next, there's gap insurance, which covers the difference between your car's value and what you owe if it's totaled. Roadside assistance is another handy add-on, providing help for things like flat tires or dead batteries. Rental car reimbursement helps cover the cost of a rental car while yours is being repaired. And ride-share coverage helps ensure you're covered if you drive for a company like Uber or Lyft and want to protect yourself and your vehicle. Remember, not all insurers offer these options. To discover your customized coverage options and compare the best car insurance quotes, head over to FreeAdvice.com. Now let's dive into the real bottom line, the price. If you're planning on carrying minimum coverage, it's important to find the companies that offer the cheapest rates. For minimum auto insurance in Maine, you're looking at about $32 a month or $384 a year for minimum liability coverage. Geico takes the top spot for cheapest provider with an average monthly rate of just $15. State Farm comes in second, offering minimum coverage at $23 a month, and Travelers is right behind with minimum coverage for just $25 a month. On the other end of the spectrum, some companies tend to be a bit more expensive. Allstate, Farmers, and Liberty Mutual come in a bit higher, averaging around $43 to $48 a month. This means that by choosing Geico over Liberty Mutual, you could potentially save $396 per year on your car insurance premiums. Now that you've seen how much rates can vary from one provider to the next, you can understand how essential it is to comparison shop before you buy. Compare car insurance quotes at FreeAdvice.com to find the cheapest providers in your area. Alright, minimum coverage keeps you legal on the main roads, but what if you want a little extra peace of mind? That's where full coverage comes in. Full coverage bumps up your protection, but it can also bump up the price tag. If you're looking for full coverage auto insurance, which offers a higher level of financial protection, you may expect to pay a bit more. However, with a little bit of research and comparison, you can still find affordable rates. On average, full coverage auto insurance in Maine costs $89 per month or $1,068 annually, but keep in mind that rates can vary among insurance companies. Geico also takes the crown as the cheapest full coverage auto insurance provider in Maine with an incredible wallet-friendly average monthly rate of $37. State Farm takes second place with an average monthly rate of $59, and Travelers rounds out the top three, averaging $61 per month for full coverage. Liberty Mutual offers the priciest option for car insurance with monthly rates around $120. If you do the math, that's a whopping $83 difference in average monthly rates between Liberty Mutual and Geico. Multiply that by 12 months, and you're looking at a staggering $996 difference annually. To see how much more you could save on full coverage, head over to FreeAdvice.com. Simply enter your zip code in our free quote generator, and in just minutes, you'll have the most affordable full coverage options to choose from. Were you aware that there are countless factors that can affect your car insurance rates? Your driving history, location, age, and other things play a significant role in how much you'll pay for coverage. Your main auto insurance rates are most often impacted by your driving record, location, age, and the car you drive. Surprisingly enough, location can often play the most significant role in whether you'll find cheap options for car insurance coverage in your area. For example, Lewiston has some of the most expensive auto insurance rates in Maine, while South Portland has some of the cheapest, with average rates at just under $72 per month. Higher crime rates mean a greater chance of vandalism or car theft, resulting in higher premiums. Insurance companies analyze their records to identify areas with a higher rate of accidents, such as busy cities, which can also lead to higher insurance rates. To find car insurance rates in your zip code, use our free quote tool at FreeAdvice.com. Our quote comparison tool makes it easy to find and compare the providers with the lowest rates where you live. Alright, so we've drilled down on companies and how your driving record affects your rates. But what if you're already with a good company and still want to save some extra dough? To get cheaper auto insurance in Maine, you can take advantage of auto insurance discounts. You could slash your premiums by up to 35% for completing defensive driving courses or by keeping those grades up if you're a student. Next, consider the car you drive. Trading in your current vehicle for a more affordable one to insure can make a significant difference in your costs. Another option to explore is usage-based insurance. If you don't drive a lot, this type of policy could be a game changer. Usage-based insurance charges a daily set fee along with a per-mile fee for coverage, potentially reducing your annual rates. If you're willing and able to take on more risk, consider raising your insurance deductible. By doing so, you can lower your rates. And don't forget the biggest savings opportunity, comparing quotes. Visit FreeAdvice.com to find and compare car insurance quotes that fit your budget. Using our free quote tool enables you to find the best deal on coverage based on your exact driver profile and coverage needs. Remember, implementing these tips alongside shopping around for car insurance quotes can help you reduce your overall rates. And don't forget, maintaining a clean driving record plays a crucial role in keeping your auto insurance rates reasonable. So, start comparing quotes and exploring your options. Visit FreeAdvice.com, where we've made it easy for you to find the best car insurance companies in Maine and make an informed decision. Your wallet will thank you. And that's all we have for Maine car insurance. We covered a lot: finding the right company, how your driving record affects your rates, and even ways to save some extra cash. But here's the thing, information is power, and FreeAdvice.com is your secret weapon. Head over to FreeAdvice.com. Finally, you can ditch the phone calls and endless browsing. Our website makes it possible to compare rates, get quotes, and explore options from the best Maine providers in one place. Seriously, it's that easy. But before you go, please hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to our channel for more insurance information coming your way. We love hearing from our viewers, so leave a comment below if you have experience with any of the insurance companies we mentioned in this video. And drivers in Maine, any advice for our viewers? Please share your thoughts. Sharing is caring, so tell your friends and family who are shopping for insurance to check out this video, especially if they live in Maine. And while you're there, check out our other helpful videos, like the one on getting cheap car insurance quotes on your phone. You won't believe how much you can save when you know these insider secrets. Stay protected and drive safe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.